Three, two, one.
Good day everyone. By the way, I am Nathaniel Bartolaba. My part is to discuss about the topic My Open Math together with my co-reporter Mark Bulao. Now let's begin with the definition of this topic. This open source software or My Open Math, it was developed by David Lefman, a college mathematicians professor in Washington State. He started develop in the year 2005. Then in the year 2011, David started My Open Math as an open source software to share as the way with the world. This software had a great content and built-in open text box. Now, according to Lipman, even we can't using MOM or My Open Math, our student can still benefit on it in their several study. Like for example, in a pre-algebra, beginning and intermediate algebra. Now, this software we can easily access through online. And also we can use the software by pre-calculus 1 or college algebra in our lesson, or the other one is the pre-calculus 2 or trigonometry. Now the second one to discuss, let's begin with the question, how do I or how to access an MOM or My Open Math. Now first and foremost, once you are an instructor account, or let's be in a state of being an instructor, you are automatically enrolled in two courses, which titled training course and a support course. Now on training course, let's click on the training course by our laptop or computer, and you will see a comprehensive collection of videos helping you to get started. Now the second one is we can email to mhideg kuti@cc.edu. Then the third one, post a question on one of the forum within the training course. For the third part, there are 8 steps on how to enroll MOM. Now the first thing to do, we have to create an empty course with an appropriate title. Now in this video, we cannot demonstrate together with my co-reporter through laptop in the sense that we're lack of gadget. But we give an idea on how to enroll MOM. Now the second one, enter the course by clicking on its link. Now the third, on the left hand side, copy under the course items. And the fourth one, choose between copying something from this course, another course of yours, or someone else course. If you want to copy course from a fellow CC instructor, choose my group's courses. Now the fifth one, find a person whose course you would to copy by clicking on their name. Then the sixth one, find the course you want to copy. Then the seventh one, once you selected the course, scroll down, sometimes way down, and click the button select course items. Then the last one to do, to copy the entire course, select copy whole course and click on the button copy items. Now let's proceed on create a folder and create an assignment in MOM or My Open Math software. Now let's begin with create a folder. First, enter the course. Then the second one, click on the drop down menu titled add an item. Then the third one, select add block. Then the fourth one, enter the information in the fields. Now let's proceed on create an assignment in MOM or My Open Math software. Now first, enter the course. Then the second one, click on the drop down menu titled add an item. Then the third one, select add assessment. Now in creating a folder and creating an assignment, the third steps are different. And the fourth one, enter the information in the field.
In this video, I will going to show to you on how to create an announcement using my OpenMath and also the math entering, which is we can put the symbols for mathematical statements or what else. Now let me start in creating an announcement. I can't give to you the picture to represent for each step because we need to access an instructor account so that we can have the picture representation of this. But here are the steps in creating an announcement using my OpenMath. First, you have to enter the course and then click on the drop down menu titled add an item. Number 3 is select add inline text. 4, enter the information in the fields. The subsequent screens are very similar to those in Blackboard. Now let's move on to entering math. For some types of questions, you need to enter a mathematical expression. The system follows order of operations, so use grouping symbols as much as necessary. Alternatively, you can enter your answer using calculator style notation. Here are some helps on how to enter expressions. The first expression is you can use it for the 4 fundamental operations. Those are for multiply, divide, and subtract. Multiply, divide, add, and subtract. Next is power or the exponent. You can also put SQRT when you're going to find the square root. Next is for the parenthesis. That is used for groupings. You can also put E or pi. That is the standard constant. You can input an lowercase letter a, b, and s for the absolute value. Sine, cosine, tangent, secant, and so on. That is for the standard trigonometric function. Arcsine, arccos, arctan, and so on for the inverse trigonometric functions. Note that arcsec, arccosec, and arccot are not defined. You can also put the next symbol, that is the alternative entry for the inverse trigonometric function. ln for the natural logarithmic with the base e. Log for common logarithm with the base 10. You can also put the next for the factorial. Uppercase letter D, N, and E, which does not exist. This is also often used for no solutions. Lowercase o, 2 O's, infinity. Those are two lowercase o's, like the middle of the word loop. That's all for this presentation today, and thank you for watching. Bye.